Hi there, this is my lovely down coat from London Fog, and it has a few ripped holes. I don't know how it happened, but the tears are in plain view near the pocket, and something needs to be done about it, because I still like this coat and I would like to wear it again. You see 2 holes. Actually, there were 3 holes. I have fixed this one. It turned out neatly and almost invisible. If you are interested in this way of repair, join me. Looking ahead, I say that not everything went smoothly in this project, but I am really happy with my final result. You will need a sharp thread snip, scissors, and double-sided tape. There are different widths. I'll get the narrowest one. This tape is sticky on both sides. And 2 tweezers. Unfortunately, I have only one bend tweezer, and the second will be ordinary one. Cut off a piece of tape slightly larger than the hole. You need to push the down film back inside very well, because you will have to control that the patch doesn't stick to the lining while you place it into the tear. Next, all I want to do is remove the protective film and stick the fabric to the patch. But it's hard because fabric always tries to stick to the wrong place. So first, I am sticking the fabric on one side and holding the other with tweezers. Then slowly, millimeter by millimeter, I am moving down tweezers along the rib and trying to join the edges of both sides together. There are some loose threads here. I'll just cut them off. So I like how it turned out to repair this tear and this one, but something went wrong with this hole. I couldn't stick this tear perfectly the first time and re-stick it several times. I think that's probably because the hole was too small, less than 5 millimeters, and I had too little space for this work. My first idea was to cover the patch with a little laconic embroidery. But then I dug in my sewing things and found this cute decorative key. I just sewed it to the place of the defect and hid the thread knots in the coat pocket. This isn't exactly how I plan to fix my down coat, but it's my experience. Sometimes it's possible to repair a rib almost imperceptibly, and sometimes it's better to cover a defect with some decorative stuff, embroidery, or maybe applique. So it's time to try on my new old down coat.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.